Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please click on the subscribe button. If you're returning, hopefully you've already hit the subscribe button, but if not, now's a good time to do it. Make sure you leave a comment below.
Feel like crap, but I'm going to do a quick video. I've been looking online how to hang wood clamps and where people store their wood clamps, because you get a lot of wood clamps. I'm not even into woodworking that much yet. I've already got this many wood clamps and I need more. So basically what I did is I took a couple ladder racks. I took a 1x1, laid it across the back side of the ladder racks after I put the ladder racks on the wall, shot a couple screws to the bottom, and attached all my clamps to it. I can make this as wide as I want, as narrow as I want, and if I want to add another row, which I'm probably going to end up doing, I'm going to take this and basically screw it to the front of it, and I can make a double layered. That'll give me enough room to get my handles loose from here, so it'll be at the top of this, so I can get my handles loose, still get these clamps off the wall and slide them down, and then I'll have another row on the front of this. Either way, fast, easy. Again, I was looking for ideas. Maybe that'll give you some idea. This is pieces I had laying around. I had scrap wood laying in the corner. Had the ladder racks laying around. Thawed it up, stuck it on the wall. Hope it helps you out. Please click on like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have one. Thank you.